Time to clean the hay out of the barn. This corner anyways.
November 24th. It's pretty cold, I don't know, it's minus something. So we're finally back here, gonna get some of this hay cleaned out of here in preparation to fix this. It's been a long time coming. Got some sheets of plywood on the forks of the tractor. I'm expecting the floor under this hay to be pretty questionable. Got the dump trailer parked down there, so we're chucking some of this gross old hay out of here. Well, made it that far. Got some plywood down here so we don't fall through. Got a pretty good load on there. Go dump that, grab a scoop shovel to get all this loose stuff, and probably a couple masks, because this is pretty nasty. First load of many. Because there's another one over here. I heard that. Check that out. Wonder how many years it's been since these floorboards have seen the light of day. You're looking for a raccoon? Got a bunch of that old hay cleaned out of there last weekend. First load. Second load got lucky, it was still a bunch of bales. And then the last load was pretty well all loose. Shovel and a wheelbarrow. So we had a bit of time this afternoon cleaning some more stuff out of the barn. A bunch of old stuff to burn and a bunch of scrap in the Ranger. Well, that just looks a little bit better doing that. Those wheels moved out of the way. And this bay is ready now to have the hay cleaned out of it, so. January 6th, 2024, new year. So we're gonna clean this bay out today, right now. That's the goal. -6 right now. And wind out of the east, it's kind of damp, so I think it's gonna snow. We moved a bunch of stuff out of this bay earlier at one point. I guess that was last year now. But one step at a time, get all the hay cleaned out of here, and then we can start